She's looking pretty aggressive. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Now, today, I recently saw a video on YouTube from Motor9 G35, and it was his video about the VLSD and what cars came with them, and just kind of talking about it in general. Well, as I watched the video, he was wrong and incorrect about quite a lot of it. So I'm here to clear the air. I don't want misinformation getting thrown around on the internet. So here is, here it is. So the video, I remember him saying about like, pretty much if you had a manual car, it came with the VLSD, and if you had an automatic, it didn't. Well, that's already wrong, because this car right here is a 2006 automatic with the sport package, sport suspension, and I have a VLSD in it. So that right there, he's already wrong. And I have a list and everything on all the cars that have a VLSD or came with it. And I'm gonna read that list right now. So, we're going to start with the 350zs. Now, all automatic and manual 350zs that were a base model got an open differential. They didn't get a VLSD. Now, and that was for 03 to 08. Now, the same 03 to 08 350zs that were the touring, the enthusiast, and the journey models, automatic or manual, they got a VLSD. Now for the G35 sedans. All 2003 sedans, automatic or manual, got an open differential. Now, 2004 to 2006 sedans that had the sport package came with the VLSD, automatic or manual. 2007 to 2008 sports sedans, again, with the sport package, auto or manual, VLSD. All the other ones, base model and journey for the sedans, I believe got open differentials. Now for the G35 coupes. The 03 to 04 G35 coupes, automatic or manual, with the performance, wheel, and tire package option, got a VLSD. Base models, auto or manual, did not. They got an open differential. 2005 to 2007 G35 coupes with the performance, with the sport suspension package, got a VLSD, automatic or manual, hence my 06 right here, my 06 sport package, VLSD. Now, if you guys don't know what a VLSD is, a viscous limited slip differential, I'm not gonna really go much into it because there's lots of stuff online, there's YouTube videos you can read. Pretty much in a sense, it acts like an open differential pretty much all the time until if one wheel is spinning, the fluid in between the discs in the differential, the fluid will heat up, compressing or pushing whatever the discs, and then that's what makes the other side eventually lock up, and then you'll both spin. But however, this can only happen if one tire or one wheel is spinning. It's not locked all the time 100%. So that's why majority of the time it acts like an open differential. Now, these VLSDs also wear out with miles. My car has 101,000 miles, so it's safe to assume my VLSD isn't as good as it used to be. I haven't really found out yet if it is worn out. I can tell you, basically going off of a test, like people say to find out if you have a limited slip differential or a VLSD, if you spin one wheel, the other wheel should spin in the same direction. However, that's not the case with the VLSD, at least from my experience, because even when I got this car at 65,000 miles, I jacked it up because I wanted to know if I had a VLSD or an open differential. Well, I jacked up the rear end, spun the wheel, the other side spun in the opposite direction. So I was a little butthurt. I was a little upset, being that I thought this was a sport package, it should have had it. All the research said I should have had it, and I thought I didn't. However, when I went to the local park and I did a burnout, it left 2 tire marks. So in a sense, it makes sense that when I jacked up the car, it spun in opposite directions, because like I said, it acts like an open differential until, with the one wheel slipping, the fluid has to heat up, and then that's what activates the discs to lock the other side. So yeah guys, this is just a real quick short video. And honestly guys, if you're doing a ton of research trying to find out what differential you have, just go out, do a quick burnout, trip the tires, whatever. That's literally the easiest way to tell if you have a VLSD or not, honestly. Like, you can spend hours researching, getting all confused between the different models and how a VLSD works and all that. But just go out, just do a burnout, guys. It's the easiest way to tell if you have it or not. So I want to make this quick video just to put the right information out there for you guys. So, because I don't like when misinformation gets thrown around. So I hope you guys like that quick little explanation, and I will see you in the next one. Deuces.
Didn't even get to cross.